Morning, everybody. David Shapiro here. Um, got my coffee. Definitely recommend it for 6:54 in the morning. Um, a bunch of people have asked for a Discord server. I've done it before. I tried it before, but it didn't really catch. But it was before my YouTube channel, so it occurs to me that maybe it's time to try again. So I've got a Discord brand new server set up. The join link will be in the description. So yeah, let me just kind of introduce you to the reason why. This was my most recent video. Can a machine ever be conscious? And it's got like 20 comments. Granted, some of those are my replies, but there are some really impressive, smart people out there. And obviously, YouTube comments are not the best, not the best way to have these discussions. But I'm learning from y'all. I want to hear from y'all. So, if you are interested in joining the Discord server, jump in. I do have just a few rules. So, first and foremost is keep it cool and be kind. It's supposed to be chill and positive for everyone. That is number one rule. I'll go back over all the reasoning why. Let's get through the rules first. Number two is discussion, not debate. This isn't Reddit. I got all the internet debating out of my system many years ago. I don't do internet debating anymore. It doesn't add anything. So if you want to have a discussion, great. We're not here to debate. Number three, agree to disagree. So here's the thing: is you can't convince anyone, and no one can convince you. All you do is share your ideas, share what you have, and let it go. The other thing is we're going to be pulling people from many different disciplines. Some people are philosophers. Some people are machine learning experts. There are going to be very, very different levels of understanding. This rule comes from a previous attempt that I had to have these servers where, some people are going to be math heavy and then some people are going to be neuroscientists. And so, there was one argument that I saw where someone was saying, oh, addiction is just reinforcement learning. And I was like, no, it's not. I understand why you're coming from that angle. But, someone was just getting more and more heated about saying that, addiction is just reinforcement learning. And it's like, okay, well, let's actually look at the neurobiology of addiction, and trauma models of addiction and stuff. And they just kind of short-circuited. So it's agree to disagree. You need to understand that there are different disciplines and no one is an expert in everything. And lastly, beliefs and evidence. Share your beliefs and evidence. They're yours. No one can take them from you. Respect other people's beliefs and evidence. So again, when you have a multidisciplinary team or people coming from different backgrounds, this is the key thing is we're here to learn. We're here to collaborate. Okay, so then you got the general channel, got the cognitive architecture channel. This is one of my primary things that I work on. Different levels of cognitive architecture. Obviously, these are likely to change. There might be fine tuning channel or whatever. A philosophy and ethics channel. This is a big area of research, so this would include things like alignment. And then we've got fiction. So this will be any flash fiction that's written with GPT-3, art for DALL-E 2, and then business dev, because a big thing that I get a lot of questions about is how to handle or how to develop business ideas. All right, so that's that. I will post the link to join this channel in the description, and I look forward to seeing you all there.